What's up guys, Daniel Ndukwu here once again, and in this video, I'm going to show you two dead simple websites that you can use to make $25 an hour or more. Now before we jump into that, I make videos multiple times a week, so if you're interested in making money online, starting your own business online, whether that's just making a few $100 a month, a few $1,000 a month, or even changing your life entirely, make sure you subscribe to the channel, and there's a free course down below that takes you through how to set up your first funnel for affiliate marketing or your online business that'll start producing income in as little as a few days. So anyway, subscribe to the channel, make sure you like this video. To get started with this strategy, to get started making $25 an hour, go to www. What we're talking about here isn't a standard job, so to speak, that pays you $25 an hour when you clock in, clock out. Rather, it's really flexible and it allows you to build your own schedule, so you can make as much or as little as you want within a certain range, because of course it is dependent on availability of work. So I'm going to jump on over to the computer and I'm going to show you the websites that I'm talking about. The first one on the list is called VIP Kid. Now VIP Kid is a platform that allows students who want to learn the English language get connected with native English speakers or tutors. I mean, it's global, it's a global organization, but it seems to focus in on the Asian market, as you can see here from the imagery, and that is their specialty. One good thing about VIP Kid is that you yourself, you don't have to learn Mandarin or any of the other dialects in China before you can teach, or any of the other dialects in Asia, Southeast Asia, etc., before you're able to take advantage of this. The teaching is one-on-one, so, and of course it's via the internet, so you just interact with kids, teach them the basics of English, or depending on their level, it will determine how you can teach them. And so let's look at the requirements for becoming a teacher. So the sign up process is really simple. Your email and your password. So once you sign up to the platform, you're able to set your own schedule and you teach one-on-one, and then you get paid every week. So this isn't something that you'll be teaching or working for a month and then you get paid at the end of the month, or working for 2 weeks to get paid at the end of 2 weeks. You actually get paid every week depending on how many hours you've worked. The requirements are really simple. All you need to do is be a really good English speaker, right? As a native speaker, or as someone who speaks English as a second language and speaks it fluently, there are some things that you understand about the English language that you probably don't even know, like correct grammar and things of that nature. And when you sign up for the platform, you'll go through a demo lesson. And once you go through that demo lesson, you understand what is expected of you. You'll now teach that lesson. And they'll kind of grade, not so much grade you, but assess you, whether you have the skill set required to teach other people. So once they make their assessment, they'll now extend a position for you within VIP Kid. You're not kind of thrown in front of students automatically. You'll still go through a bit of training to hone your skills with another teacher. So you'll create and go through practice lessons, and from there, you'll be able to hone your skills. So at least you'll be confident that you're teaching these kids something reasonable, right? So that you're actually able to help them learn English as a second language. So that's really it. That's really cool about VIP Kid. They don't just throw you to the wolves like that, right? So they said that there's 100,000 teachers, 700,000 students, and 5 million classes a month. And so the beauty of VIP Kid is that you don't have to go out and find these students on your own. VIP Kid handles all the marketing and all that good stuff. So all you have to do is show up, deliver your lesson, and get paid. But the downside of that is that they set the prices. Prices vary between $20 and $25 an hour. So of course, the more work you put in, the more you're going to make. I'd say a good target for this one is about two to three classes a day, about 2 or 3 hours a day. That's about $40 to $60 in a day, which is a reasonable income. And then you do that a couple days a week, you'll be making a couple $100 a month from VIP Kid. It's a really cool side hustle that doesn't take too much time or effort because you're already an English speaker. The next platform is called Chugs. Now, Chugs is a bit different from VIP Kid. VIP Kid was focused on English language for learners, students of all ages and types, whereas Chugs is for all types of subjects, from math to photography to astrophysics, right? It's not limited to younger students like high school or elementary school. It's actually people from elementary school all the way up to people who are already in the workforce and really just want to improve themselves in some way. So there are many other perks around Chugs, like 90% off textbooks, flashcards, helping other people like write papers, etc. So there are a lot of perks and a lot of things that can be done with Chugs, but we're focused on the tutoring aspects that allow you to make extra money online. So let's look at how you get it set up, what's involved. Their jobs start at $20 an hour, and they can increase based on your skill and your rating on the platform. So yes, this platform does have a rating system. So the better you are, the more you get paid. And again, it's not limited to English. So you may be able to find something there that you're well versed in, right? They'll send students to you, you build your reputation on the platform, and then you can tutor from anywhere, and that's the draw. And then you get paid each week. When you go through the application process, signing up is really straightforward. It's really simple. And then once you sign up, you'll give them more information about yourself, like your expertise, what areas you want to teach, and things of that nature. So once you created your account and you're approved, then you can start accepting students. Of course, there is some training available for you. So just like with VIP Kid, you're not kind of thrown off the deep end and expected to deliver awesome tutoring sessions without any prior experience or training. Of course, they have a platform and they have a reputation to uphold. So, of course, they're going to try and give you that support that you need to be the best you can be. I mean, that kind of sounds like the army, but anyways, be all you can be. Anyways, that's by the way. So those are the two platforms that you can use to basically monetize your knowledge. And instead of creating an entire course, you're going to be doing one-on-one tutoring. Although you are exchanging time for money, this could be a quick way to make a couple $100 every month. Now, a couple $100 is not life-changing income, but it'll definitely help you do one or two things. Maybe go out a little bit more often, offset a few bills, whatever the case may be. You know how you want to spend your money. But if you're interested in making thousands of dollars a month, even quitting your day job and doing this full time, like creating a real passive income asset, then I strongly recommend you subscribe to the channel. We talk a lot about affiliate marketing, different strategies to make money online. Both of these small, like micro job sites that can produce a couple $100 to a couple $1,000 a month, as well as how to build an entire business online, market research, niche research, how to choose products, all that good stuff. There's actually a video on this channel of affiliate marketing for beginners. It'll walk you step by step through how to get started with affiliate marketing, choosing your niche, choosing your products, how to drive traffic, all that good stuff. And there's a free course down below that walks you through how to set up your first affiliate marketing funnel from scratch. There are no strings attached. All you got to do is sign up with your email, and you'll get an email every day that walks you through another step in the process, right? A lot of people have gone through it, and a lot of people have learned how to use email marketing and how to set up funnels for their business, and as a direct result have been able to produce some income. And that first income online from maybe your own products or from your own marketing efforts, there's nothing quite like it in the world. It's kind of addicting. Anyways, make sure you subscribe to the channel, like this video, and I will see you in the next one. Daniel out.